Today I have planned to go and use my last day in Lyon to just see some nature spots. Oh, come on. Through me fashion, I thought, let me be adventurous, let me go have some fun. And I really need to stop doing this because I can get myself into some bedded up in goodness knows where. It's going to take me an hour and a half to get back and I need to pee. Way I thought this train station didn't exist because it looked abandoned. It took me asking like one of the local people here and ask where's the station. He's kind of like, it's just literally, it's there.